Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. Pagpasensya mo na yung boses ko kasi medyo may sakit ako ngayon. So, kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. So, actually, mag-open muna ako saglit ng personal reading if you want to book a personal reading. Doon na lang po sa ating Facebook page. Madam P, mag-inquire kayo. Okay, let's start. Para ma-search yun, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Hashtag Unicorn Princess Tarot. Let's start. What do we have here? For water sign. Cleansing is here. Retaliation. Journal. Waves. Bottom of the deck is happiness. Love reading to ha. Pag di ka nakarelate, wag mong pilitin. Ibigay mo sa iba. Tsaka pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. Well, water sign. May mga bagay na kailangan mong alisan, or ialis sa buhay mo ngayon. Diba? Kasi the more na hindi mo alisin tong bagay na to, the more na pinahirapan mo yung sarili mo. Yung kumbaga nagsasuffer dito, ikaw. Some of you could be dealing with a person who has a lot of emotions for you. Pwedeng may communication sa inyo, maybe chatting or through phone, through the use of social media. Pwedeng ito yung nagbibigay ng happiness sa'yo ngayon. And there's a lot of emotions dito sa taong ito. Okay? Some of you, hindi ka pa fully, alam mo yun, nagiging maingat ka. Pwedeng pagdating sa pinapakita niyang emotions, you're thinking maybe it's because of money. Alam mo yun, parang hindi ka masyadong nagpapaka focus sa taong ito. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. For the sign of water sign, children is here, and soulmate. Settlement and desire. I mean, if you are nag-iingat because of children, if you have a child, this could be your soulmate, your person, the person for you, romantic person, partner for you in the future. Yung iba kasi nag-iingat dahil may anak ka, no? Maybe you're a single mom, single dad. But itong person na to, there's a lot of passion, a lot of lust. Gusto ka niya sexually. Pero gusto niya rin ng relationship. And sabi ko nga, may emotion sa'yo itong person na to. There's a lot of emotions. Gusto ka niya emotionally attached na siya sa'yo. And if ever there's children, tanggap niya lahat yon. Kaya niyang mag-compromise or kaya niyang bumagay or tanggap niya kung ano yung meron ka. This person is magnetic here, is at the bottom of the deck. And I feel like hindi ka niya ile-let go. Hindi ka niya ile-let go. this person is the one na gagawa ng paraan para magkaroon ng connection sa inyo, tuloy-tuloy na connection sa inyo. Hindi naging hadlang si children. And for now, actually, maybe you're just enjoying yourself. Alam mo yun, parang ina-enjoy mo lang yung connection. Hinahayaan mo lang tong person na to. Kung ano man yung mga nasira sa'yo, puso mo, emosyon mo, there's this feeling na parang feeling mo ito yung taong makakapag-ayos nun, which is, yeah, I can see that. Alam niya kung gaano ka ka-fragile ngayon. Alam niya kung gaano ka kahina. Alam niya kung paano ka nag-iingat dahil sa mga experiences mo in the past. And hindi naman siya para sirain yon. Yung pagtitiwalang binigay mo, pagpapahalagang binigay mo, importansyang binigay mo sa kanya. Hindi siya para sirain yon. You do have your anxiety. Wish is here. Drama queen and commitment. And the future. In the future, nakakita tayo dito ng parang, you know, you are worrying, no? Pero hindi mo kailangan mag-worry. All you have to do is pray. Pray hard. No? Itong person na to is, nandun yung gustong-gusto niya ng commitment. And, nightlife, I don't know if you're dealing with a person who is working at a bar. Ayan, with the nightlife, nakuha ko ito yung as work ng person to maybe working in a restaurant or in a bar, or maybe he or she owns a restaurant, or maybe more on ang trabaho niya nasa gabi. But anyway, I don't need to worry about this person. Kung ano yung dinadalangin mo, ito na yun eh. Pwedeng itong person na to would cause a lot of chaos sa buhay mo, pero it's a good chaos. Alam mo yun, may mga bagay na mawawala, matatapos sa buhay mo, pero kasi papalit or dadating siya. And ang gusto niya is commitment or long-term relationship sa'yo. But yeah, you just have to get yourself out of this lockdown. Kung ano, or lockbox, kung ano man yung nagpapahirap sa'yo, you feel like you are trapped into something. You know, this person, if you feel like yun lang ang habol niya, sex or what, that is not true. The way I see this, itong person na to wants something more sa connection na ito, and he or she will, try his or her best na maipakita sa'yo na karapat dapat ako sa pagmamahal mo. So thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.